Hello, Basin students and parents. This is a tutorial for joining a Google Classroom, particularly for those of you who have students in primary who have not been on their Google Classroom before. We'll begin on the google.com homepage, which mine automatically came to that because I'm using Google Chrome, but you could also type in google.com to get yourself to a page that looks like this. The first thing we need to do is to make sure that we're in the correct account. If you have a primary student, they may not have ever logged into their account before. So I'm going to scroll down through these other bigger kids accounts to add another account. It's going to ask for the email or phone. The email is going to be my child's first name, the first letter of the last name, and the date of their graduation, so their graduation year, at basinschools.net. Now I can click next. For the password information, you're going to have to access that through your child's teacher. I've entered the password I got from my teacher and I'm clicking next. I have now added an account for my child. It's my choice whether or not I want to save the password here on my own computer. I'm going to choose save and accept the Google Terms of Service. Now I have a Google account for Sadie Fouch. Now that I'm in Sadie's account, I can work on joining her Google Classroom. I'm going to use these 9 dots right here. That is how I connect to all the Google apps. That will get me into both Classroom, which will be the location for assignments and resources, and also Meet. This one right here will be the location for face-to-face learning. Let's start with Classroom. Google Classroom, Sadie Fouch. I'll hit continue. And since I'm on my first grader's behalf here, I'm going to click I'm a student. And I'm going to see the classroom where Mrs. Rousset has set it up for us. And all I have to do is click join. This is just informational. It's telling me how the program works. I have now successfully signed Sadie into her classroom. And now that Sadie's in her classroom, Mrs. Rousset can also add me as a guardian so that I will be able to access it from my own email. But this is the first step. We'll use this as our sort of launching point, our jumping off point, and all the information that you need to succeed in this new reality of remote learning. We're recommending for your child that as you go to other locations, for example, maybe iReady to do your iReady practice, or to Wonders to read a Wonders story, that you keep your Google Classroom tab open so that you will see any updates in real time from your teacher. And that is your tutorial. Of course, reach out to your teacher if you're having any troubles getting your child logged into Google Classroom, and happy learning.